We're on a popular Hainault test route, currently driving on New Road. ALFIE'S Driving School offers expert driving lessons in Hainault with both manual and automatic driving instructors. Whether you are a complete beginner wanting to learn to drive in Hainault or you just need some refresher lessons, we have you covered. As you can see, there's a bus ahead. We've got the red car waiting to come round the bus, so just being cautious. It is our priority. Anticipating the bus is going to pull up on the left. Always look to see how many people are getting on and off the bus. It looks like there's a few people getting on the bus. Holding back in good time, making sure we don't block this junction to our left. Always give yourself at least a car length or 2 car lengths so you can see beyond the bus. If it is safe to go around the bus, you've got a very good view then to proceed. The speed limit on this road is 20 miles an hour. Obviously you've got the speed bumps ahead as well. Just nice and slow along this road. Up ahead we've got Hainault train station. Again, just anticipating pedestrians coming out of the station. Up ahead there's a pedestrian crossing. And as you can see, the lights have changed. Thanks for watching. Book your driving lessons in Hainault with ALFIE'S Driving School. Our slots fill up fast, so get in touch to secure your driving instructor today.